Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your brand into Stripe hosted pages step by step clearly. To transfer your brand into Stripe hosted pages, begin by logging into your Stripe account. Navigate to the settings menu located at the bottom left of the dashboard. Select branding from the options available. Upload your logo by clicking on the upload button in the logo section. Make sure your logo meets Stripe's image specifications for optimal display. Next, choose a brand color that aligns with your business identity. Enter the hexadecimal code of your brand color in the designated field. Proceed to customize your brand name as it should appear on customer-facing pages. Look for the section titled Hosted Payment Pages in the Settings menu. Enable the option for customizing your hosted payment page. Now, edit the title and description fields to reflect your brand's message and values. Make sure the titles are clear and concise to enhance user experience. You can also add a header image to showcase your brand visually. Select a header image that complements your logo and color scheme. Afterward, review all the changes you've made to ensure accuracy. Save the adjustments by clicking on the Save button at the bottom of the page. Wait for the confirmation message indicating that your branding has been updated successfully. Test the hosted payment page by creating a sample transaction. Check that the branding appears correctly throughout the payment process. If everything looks good, you are ready to start accepting payments with your branded pages. Lastly, remember to revisit the branding settings regularly to keep your information up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.